Sir, how to create a package? But I will explain here only. You can use a package keyword to create a package, right? It is how we are using class keyword to create a class, or how we are using this interface keyword to create a interface. Same way, use package keyword to create your own package. Let's say I want to create NGAT package. Under NGAT package, which class you want to create? Let's say, sir, I want to create CSC class, right? So the class must be public so that you can access outside of the package, right? Under this class, which method you want to create? Sir, I want to create some display method or show method, right? So does it returning any value? No, then keep void. So sir, I want to access outside of the class, then keep it as public, right? Now, what message you want to display? System.out.println. So just I'm displaying a message, something like welcome to uh, CSC class or CSM class or NJIT CSC. This is the message just I want to display. Right. First, you need to write the code like this. Then you have a special command to run this particular or to create a package, that is Java C. We are using the Java compiler space minus D. You need to create a directory where we want to create the directory in current working folder dot Java C space minus D space dot space whatever the class name, that is csc dot java. Then you compile this. Whenever we compile this, automatically a package will be created with the name NGAT. There a class, that class file is going to be created for this CSC class. Then you can import this and you can use wherever you want. And I forgot to mention, you have one more advantage with the packages. You can reuse the same code for the n number of times. So code reusability is also one of the main advantage, because you are creating once, sir, I want to use for n number of times, or I want to use it in the n number of places, you can use it. That is also one more advantage by using the packages, right? Sir, can we create and can we see? So here I'm directly taking into the practical session beta, and I'm covering the lab programs as well. In the last session also I covered lab programs. So you be careful and go through all the lab programs. Now, here, what I'm doing, I'm going to create a package. I'm going to compile it. I'm going to import it, and I'm going to show how to use the user-defined package as well, right? Now, first, I'm opening a file, right? Here you can see I'm using a package keyword to create a package, that is NG8, right? Here, under this package, I want to place a class. The class name is CSC. I want to access wherever I want. That's what I'm mentioning the access specifier as public. Now, I'm taking a method, that is show method, right? Under show method, this is a method which I am creating under the CSC class. Just I am displaying a message. You are in NGIT CSC class. I'm closing this method. You should mention it as public method. Then only you can access outside of the package. Otherwise, you can access within the package only, right? Now I'm closing the class. Sir, how to compile it? Beta, you see here, we don't have any folders within this particular uh, uh, we don't have any packages in this current working folder. Now, what I'm doing, I'm going to compile this. So Java C space minus the space dot space here class name. What we are taking, what is the class name? CSC minus the space dot space CSC dot Java. So you observe in the background folder. So I'm compiling this. It's compiled successfully. You can see here a package is created with the name NGIT, and if you open it, so here you have the CSC class file beta. You see the type of the file. It's a class file which contains the bytecode, obviously, right? Now, sir, how to run it? Beta, to use this, now I'm going to create one more file. Let's say just I'm taking a class name as message, right? So here, now I'm going to take a class message. this message class, it need to use the CSC class, right? Sir, where we have the CSC class that is there in the NGAT package. So you need to import it. Import NGAT. Under NGAT, we have the CSC class. I want to use it. That's what NGAT.CSC. Now I'm taking the class name is message. Next, I'm taking the main method because program execution will start from main. Now I'm taking the I'm creating object to the CSC class. CSC sum C1 equal to new CSC, right? Now, by using that C1 object, I'm going to call the method C1.show. Now, let's save this, copy your class name and compile the code. Java space, your class name, message dot Java. Then Java space message. Now you can see we have successfully imported the class and we are able to use it. You are in NGAT CSC class. Now I'm moving further. Sir, how to create a or how to add one more class to the same package? First, we will cover this. Better, very simple. So what I'm doing, I'm taking one more class with same name. Wherever you want to add, mention the same package name. Sir, in package NGAT only, I want to add CSM class, right? So there I'm taking the show method. I'm displaying the message like with CSM. Now compile and run it. So I'm going to compile it. As usual, you need to compile the package again. Java C space -d space dot space. Your class name is CSM dot Java, right? Next, yeah, we can compile the package, but we cannot run the package because we don't have the main method over there. If you open the NGAT, there CSM also created. Earlier, we don't have this. Now, sir, how to use this same procedure beta? Just take the main method class, import NGAT there, which class you want to use, CSM. So class, message, main method, then create object to the class which you want to use, CSM I want to use, right? I'm created object. I'm using the show method, right? Do we have the show method or something else? Just check once in CSM what method we have. Yeah, show method. Now just call the show method, right? Now Java C space CSM dot sorry, message is a class name, message dot Java, then Java space message, right? We are in NGAT CSM class. Fine. Sir, how to create a sub package? Beta, whenever you want to create the sub package, what you need to do is you need to mention the class name, sorry, in package name, main package name dot sub package name. I will show you here. I want to create a sub package. Now, so package in NGAT is the main package just now which we are created. Now under NGAT, I want to create a sub package that is KMEC. So what I'm doing, you need to mention over there NGAT.KMEC. NGAT is the main package. Under NGAT, KMEC is the sub package which I'm going to create. In that particular sub package, I'm going to create a CSC A class, right? Under CSC A class, again I'm taking the show method. Just I'm displaying the message like yarn KMEC CSC A class, right? This is the message which I'm going to display. Save this. Now, before going to compile and run it, first check do we have any package in the NGAT? We don't have. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to compile and run this. So Java C space -d space dot space. So here CSC A. This is a class which we are creating, right? I'm compiling. It's compiled successfully. Now go to your NGAT. Yes, sub package is created successfully. There you have the uh, class that is CSC A. Sir, how to use it? Beta, very simple. Take one more class, import it. How to import means import main package name dot subpackage name dot which class you want to use. You need to specify it, right? So class name is the message one. Next I'm taking the main method. This is the class which I want to use. So for that class I'm creating object, and what I'm doing, I'm calling the show method. Next I'm closing the class. I'm closing the main method. Next I'm closing the class. Now save this, compile and run it. Java C space message one dot Java, then Java space message one. Now you are in KMEC CSC A class. This is the way of creating a package and using a package, creating a sub package and using a package sub package, and all about the predefined packages and user defined packages. Chalo beta. If you have any doubt, just repeat the video and watch it again. If you have any doubt, you can come to me. I will clarify. Chalo guys. Thank you. And I'm covering all the lab programs. Be careful. Go through all the lab programs and practice it. Thank you guys.